Good afternoon. Welcome to Vintage Car. Before we started, make sure you hit the button subscribe to get your weekly video. Today we have a beautiful Formula 1. It's a racing car drove by the famous guy called Alain Prost. He's a French professional driver and he won the championship in 1997 with this particular car that you see right now. Look at this beautiful back engine. Wow, I get to show you the more closer and closer so you could get to see the power of this vehicle. And the logo is Gitan. Gitan is a gypsy woman. Is the For those who knows about cigarette, this is a brand like Marlboro. Gitan, that's a gypsy brand, very popular in Europe. People love this brand, but all over the world I'm not too sure, but in Europe they love this brand. So pretty much this car promote that brand. Gitan number 26. This car is a V12. Now we're getting into another car. It's the Nissan 84 Goodyear. Look at the rims, BBS rims. BBS is the name, the brand of the rims, really light 17-inch rims. Look at the tire. The tire are pretty thick for this kind of car because this car goes pretty fast. It's a V12. I like the back, the way how it looks like. Look at the bottom interior with the lights. It's kind of hidden because you can barely see the lights, but I like the shape of it. I like the color, the top red, white and blue. It stands out pretty well. And I like the front also. The front with the large bumper with the sign on Nissan, with the lights on each side. Pretty, you feel pretty secure on this car, even anything happen during. Okay, what we having here? Wow, this is another level. It's definitely a classic car, really old school car. I can't even really tell what year was it, but definitely one thing I know is was a 1940. And I don't know exactly what is the cylinder on this car, because you could even tell that this car was built long time ago, and this car to maintain is not easy. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of you need the special tools to take care of this car. Look at the tire. It looks like a bicycle wheels. Back in the days, they used bicycle wheels in the 1940, not like the regular wheels that we have today. Look at the shape of this car. It's a light car. It's made with aluminum. Everything in this car is very light. What are we going through right now? A little tiny small car. I was walking in the street and I saw this little cute baby car. See how tiny it is and small? I had to record it. It's very so small. It looks like a little toys. Like there's no car next to it, so you can't really see how small it is. But next to my car where I parked it, you could see that this car is like a little baby car. Here you go. You see how small it is compared to the car next to it. So really, it's really small. It's not like a regular car that you see every day. This is a tiny car. Pretty cute though. I think I like the trim chrome in the front. It make very special, and I like the color, the light gray with the little name in the front grille. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you hit the button subscribe at the bottom right, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.